Hello everyone, this is Crystal again with you in another video. I'm going to be making this flower. It's the very first time that I'm going to be actually doing this using this mold. It's brand new, as you can see, and I'm going to be trying to do this flower, and it's going to be for a wedding cake. So we'll see how it's going to turn out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Okay, I opened the package, and this is what the flowers are going to be looking in the inside. What I have to do is place a piece of fondant in here, put the two pieces together and press, and when I open it, I will have my fondant. Every petal of the flower will have these veins, so it's going to be very unique and gorgeous. Stay tuned. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take a piece of fondant. I'm just gonna make like a little ball first. Then I'm gonna give it shape, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these petals and I'm gonna cover this piece of fondant. I'm gonna apply a little bit of water, and I'm gonna cover with the petal, just like that. So I'm gonna be making more petals, place them in here, press, then I will apply water and continue to cover that piece of fondant. That's going to be the inside of my flower. I'm going to repeat the same process. Water, just a little bit, and here we go. And here's the middle of the flower. Now I will continue making more petals using the bigger size of the cutter. Like, there's different sizes, so I'm going to use the next one. I'm going to try to make only 3. I will place them in here, press down each petal, take the center of my flower and continue to apply more of the petals, the bigger size, just like that. And there is the center of my flower. Looking really good. Now I will add the different sizes to make the flower bigger. Now I'm going to roll my fondant again to make a different size. I gotta tell you, this is very unique and I really like it. Super easy to make flowers, super easy. I have to start placing more petals, bigger petals, just like this, just to make the flower bigger. Okay, let's just place a little bit of more water, and here's my flower. It's getting bigger and beautiful. And for this you have to let it dry. It's really soft right now, but I used this powder. Usually I just put it on the fondant, I roll it, and it should be hardened fast enough, faster than normal. So, but in the meantime, I just place my flour. I use this egg carton, and I just place my flour in there to let it dry so it won't damage. So now I'm gonna do a different size, the next one. So I will do 3 again. If I need one more, just go ahead and do it. This is the last one for this side. I'm just gonna place it over here. Here I'm going to do my last petals, the large size. That's what I have left. Oops. Just trying to roll it really thin so it looks really delicate. So here's the last size. Here's 1, 2. I'm going to try to make 3 or 4 of them to make it larger. Here we go. And back to the mold. There's one. There's another one. And here. I might need another one. Let me just do one more just in case. Last one. And that's it. So now we just need to put it together. And this is gonna be gorgeous, beautiful flower and easy to make. Just need to let it dry, maybe 24 hours, because the fondant's kind of soft. Okay, let's just try to do this side like this. It's a little bit soft, too soft. And the last one. Okay, here we go. Just gonna let it dry 24 hours. And there you have it. Really beautiful and easy to make. I don't know if you can see it because of the light. There we go. Okay, now that we finished with the large flower, I'm gonna be showing you how I make these roses using this other mold, which is very easy to use too, and it's a lifesaver. So I'm just gonna show you how I make my roses. I use a little bit of Crisco inside the mold so the fondant doesn't get stuck. Then take a little piece of fondant and kind of make a ball, then place it inside. I use the roll pin, press it so it goes all the way inside into the increases. Then I take a knife and I just cut the extra fondant that is on top. Then I just take the mold and get my rose out. And here you have it. I will be making a few more just in case that I need more. Also, if I need to make smaller ones, I put less fondant in the inside of the mold, like I'm showing in here. And then when the rose comes out smaller than the regular size. This is the tutorial on how to make flowers using different molds, and I hope you enjoyed and continue baking and have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe.